Hey y'all, today I'm sharing with you guys a different video. I'm sharing with you guys a week in my natural hair. All about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae. So, I just finished my wash and go. I started doing my hair, washing it wise at like noon, but I've been filming and stuff. It is now 3:32 p.m. and my hair is fully dry. This is what it looks like. I stretched it a little bit, but it's still giving like shrinkage because I feel like day one is always like shrinkage, but they're super defined, whatever. So this is what my hair looks like, and I'll come back tonight and show you guys how I wrap my hair for bed. All right, y'all, so it's the end of the day. All I did after my hair was finished was go to church, and we had revival, so, you know. And right now it is 11:42 p.m. I need to be in bed, but yeah, this is what my hair looks like. I got a lot of compliments today, so we looking good. So I like to stretch my hair out, and what I'm gonna do is do like the banding method to stretch it out overnight. Banding is a great way to stretch your hair out without applying heat or like stretching it with a blow dryer. So I'm just gonna section my hair two sides like this. And on this side, I'm gonna separate the top half. And you wanna make sure you're just separating it where the curls separate and you're not like pulling anything detrimental apart. And so then I'm gonna take this section, and all I'm doing is grabbing the curls on the ends, making sure those curls are secure, and then stretching this as much as I can. And then we're gonna take the hair tie and we're gonna band it all the way down the hair. And these larger ones, at least for my length of hair, is perfect because I can use one band on one section. And so then I'll leave the curls on the end out, and then this is how long it's banded. Make sure I got the curls on the ends, and then pulling it down. Just like that, okay? So when I get to the bang area, I'm gonna leave just the front part of my bang out. And that's only because I like my bang to like cascade down my hair. And if I stretch it out, it may stretch it too much. And when you stretch your hair too much, it can look, the curls will look super straight in the morning. I'm gonna put my scarf on for my edges because usually my edges will last overnight and I just have to touch them up. And then I'll put my jumbo bonnet on, so I'll pull all these up. And then that is pretty much all I do at night. Good morning, y'all. It is day 2 and it is 9:39 a.m. Y'all, I got an ulcer on my tongue. Right there, I think I bit my tongue. And so it feels like I'm talking with a lisp because it hurts when my tongue touches my teeth. Anyway, my hair, my bonnet stayed on all night. I just pushed it back so I could do my makeup. Taking my bonnet off. Then taking my headscarf off. And like I said, normally my edges pretty much stay intact. If I want to touch them up, I can, but if I'm running in late or need to go, like, cool. This is my bang that I left out, and then we're gonna take down the bands. I just fluff it out with my hand like that initially. So right there, we already have more length than we did yesterday, and we didn't have to use any heat to achieve the stretching of the curls. So that's why I like doing this at night. And then by not putting my bang in there, my bang still kind of cascades down instead of being super stretched. So then I just go in with a pick at the roots to add volume. And then sometimes I'll just grab the curls and do a short pick at the end just to kind of like thicken it up so the roots don't look super thick, but then my ends look thin. And then you just pick your hair to your desired shape. So literally that is all I do. This is day 2 hair. Still super defined. This is the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Miel, this is the Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. Put it in my part. And then just start putting it on my scalp. And then I just massage. And then if you want to add shine, you can add just an oil to your palms and do the praying hands method. This is my little DIY oil. Doing this will add shine, but also continue to break that cast from the gel. Now I'm about to go take my pictures. So, all right, y'all. So it is the end of day 2. It is 10:53 p.m. and I'm about to put my hair up. This length I like with my hair, how it's kind of like shoulder length. And so I'm basically gonna do the same thing I did yesterday and band my hair. Sometimes once it's already like primarily stretched, I'll do bigger sections. That way I'm not overstretching it and I'm still keeping the main like curl pattern. And then again, I'm leaving this bang area out. My baby hairs, I did not touch them up. This is exactly how they look this morning. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put my scarf around my edges, then bonnet time. And boom, that's it. So I'm gonna take off my makeup and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Rise and shine. It is like 5:45 in the morning. Church today, this is day 3. So this is what my hair looking like. I just woke up. Bear with me. I'm trying to be an on-time girly in this season. And adjusting to that is a challenge. Oh, let me take this off. See how my edges look. Okay, perfect. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. It is pretty much ready to go. I'm not pressed about defining some of these curls up here because I gotta get to church on time. This is why I like using like a heavy weight gel that's gonna like give that little crunch, because I feel like it allows your curls to last longer. If you do your hair with a lightweight or flexible hold gel or cream, like your hair is just gonna, banding it the first 2 nights might stretch all those curls out. So just be mindful of that. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like. Y'all have to excuse my face. It's 9:33. I just woke up from my post-church nap. Fell asleep in my makeup. So I just need to wash my face and I need to put my hair up. I fell asleep without a bonnet on, so my hair done kind of like shrink back up. So I know I said I wasn't gonna bend my hair tonight, but I actually am. So it can stay stretched. So I'm gonna include my bang. But what it's gonna do is stretch out this piece of the hair where that is stretched, but it's not gonna stretch out my bang from the root. Do a little oil on my scalp. Then of course I'm gonna lay down my edges. Mind you, this is what, day 3 of my baby hairs. I have not touched them up yet, so shout out to Kiss Edge Fixer. So this is how I'm going to bed. I'm about to wash my face and just do this number right here. Oh, yes. Okay, y'all, I know I look sleepy because I just woke up, but it's day 4. And let's get into this hair. Let's see how the edge is holding up. Boom. Boom. This is the full shape of my wash and go. My bang is hanging a little lower than normal, so I can like just toss it back a little bit so it's out my face. This is literally how I'm about to wear my hair. Go on by my day. It's easy maintenance. Easy maintenance. The edges are still laid. Edges are still laid. All right, y'all, it is 9:47. I'm about to get ready for bed. Like I said earlier, I'm just gonna put my hair in a pineapple. So I'm just gonna take one of those bands and literally just put it up like that. And sometimes I'll do 2 if I want to maintain some stretch, like that. And then I'll go ahead and put on my scarf. See, my edges, I took a nap today, so I'll probably touch up my edges in the morning and then put my bonnet on. It's real simple. What's up, y'all? It's day 5. Okay, it is 10:12 a.m. I just had put my hair up in the top. A little scratchy scratch. A little shaky shake. Take this edges scarf down, which I know I need to touch up my edges because they was hanging on by a thread yesterday. But I could wear this hairstyle for probably like 2 weeks. Like after this week finishes, I'll probably like put it in a puff or a bun or, you know, restyle it, refresh it. That's how long the curls last when I do it with that stronghold gel. So this is what my hair look like. So it's midnight. I almost forgot to do this, but I just threw my hair up in a puff today once I got back home because I was just doing a lot and I didn't want my hair in my face. So I'm literally just about to leave it like this and throw my bonnet on. So I did not touch up my baby hairs like I said I was going to, but tomorrow I'm shooting, so tomorrow morning hopefully I'll have a little bit more zhuzh to show y'all how I do my hair. It's gonna be the same thing I did today, probably, most likely. But yeah, I just want to check in first. Let's be clear, I got on a bando, but just in case, I'm going ahead and throw on my house robe. Anyway, I got up this morning at 7:38, and then I cut my grass. It is now 10:47. I cut my hair in a puff while I cut the grass, but it was just out in the open, so it's probably more frizzier than it would have been. And it got like pieces from the yard in it, Lord. So I'm taking my Kiss Edge Fixer 80% of the time. But when I do decide to give it a little oomph, a little shake, that ain't a little boom, 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 it's this. So yeah, 80% of the time, my edges are Kiss Edge Fixer. The other percent is either Gorilla Snot Wet Line or Africa's Best Honey and Castor. So I'm taking the little Kiss Edge brush, and I like to brush the product in my hair first before I get to really swooping it, because I don't want it to like cake up and get white. So sometimes when it gets white, it's because you just have a clear glob of the edge control just sitting there versus it being brushed through your baby hairs. And then I just use my finger and swoop it as if it's like a finger wave. And the comb is what allows you to get like that sharp line. I ain't mad. If you're still watching this video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, because it seems like you enjoying this video. So thank y'all for tuning in, and I will see y'all tonight when I wrap up this hair. Okay, it is 10:40. My hair look a mess, I ain't gonna hold you. Give y'all a change of pace as we wrap up this week in my natural hair. So I'm just putting in this bonnet. I ain't even gonna put no hairband on it. I'm tired. Good night. This is what my hair look like. At this point, I need to stretch it with a blow dryer. So this is how my hair is hanging stretched. So anytime my hair like gets all fluffy and I'm like, no, I want this thing to last a little bit longer, I'll go ahead and stretch it. And I still try and maintain the ends of the hair. And so that's how my hair looks like. One, it looks way longer than it did on day one, but that's just because of shrinkage and stretching it, the difference between the two. But yeah, I think this looks great. Obviously, you can pick out your hair however much you want to make it bigger or whatever, but I like how it's hanging. I like how it's hanging, so I'm gonna leave it like this. So I don't recall whether I filmed this morning or not. However, I stretched my hair. All I did was put it in the bonnet. That's all I got for y'all tonight. Alright, so I know y'all tired of me in my bonnet on this screen in this bathroom, okay? But I just wanted to come on here and share with y'all that it's been 7 days and my wash and go has last. Ooh, my battery is dead, so I'm gonna wrap this up quick. My wash and go has lasted. I probably wear my hair like this today and then wash it tomorrow. So if you guys want like more styles, maybe I'll wear my wash and go for 5 days and then show you styles like week 2 in my wash and go and show you how I actually style it. So comment below hashtag style if you guys want to see like a week 2 in my wash and go, because these wash and goes last me clearly 7 days. I'm gonna stretch it out like I did yesterday and keep it pushing. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love y'all so very much. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.